Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful and very nice quilt Buddha idol. Can you see this, how calm and peaceful this is looking? And from backside it is also looking more finished, and this is very easy to make as well. So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. First I'm starting with making the face. So for the head portion I am taking 5 strips of brown color 3 mm and I am making one tight coil. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. And for whole project I am using 3 mm and 5 mm strips. So according to the shape I will tell which strip you need to use. So tight coil is done, just secure it using glue. Now I'm taking my quilling mold and just making a dome shape. And similarly I have prepared one more tight coil using peach color 3 mm strips, and I have joined 5 strips together. I am opening the peach dome little bit more for the face portion. And now I am going to add glue inside both the domes and I will connect with each other. So it's done. Now I am just joining both the domes with each other. And the face is ready. Now for the body portion I have prepared these two tight coils. This peach tight coil is made using 6 strips of peach color 3 mm and this tight coil is made using 6 strips of orange color 5 mm. So again shaping both the tight coils according to the requirement. Add glue inside both the domes and connect with each other. So upper body is done. Now here I have prepared one more dome using 6 strips of orange color 5 mm for the base of the body, and I am going to connect these two shapes like this. On top of this I am adding face. Now keep it aside for drying, and till that I am showing you how to make the hands. For this I am taking one strip of peach color 3 mm and making one cone. Add glue inside the cone and spread it using brush. In the same way I have prepared one more cone, so joining both the cones with each other. And similarly I have prepared one more hand, so hands are ready. Now taking back the Buddha, and I have already added the one side leg and I am showing you how to make the other side leg. For this I have prepared this cone using 2 strips of orange color 5 mm. The length is 3 centimeters, and I have prepared one more cone made using 2.5 strip of orange color 5 mm and the length is 2 centimeters. I have created this dome using 3 strips of orange color 3 mm, and this small cone I have cut diagonally like this little bit, so that we can connect this with the lower part easily. So just take your scissors and make a slight slant cut. Now I'm just joining this with the lower part using glue. Hold it for a few seconds and it's done. Now connecting another cone and just overlapping both the cones like this. And to cover the knee portion, I am adding this dome here. Just pinching the dome little bit and then sticking here like this. So this is done. Allow it to dry completely. Now here I have prepared this tight teardrop using one strip of peach color 3 mm for the foot. So I'm just connecting the foot in the bottom, and for other leg I have already added foot. Now I'm adding the hands. And added other hand already. So this is done, and can you see this? It's perfect and looking nice and completely dried as well. Now I have prepared one more brown color dome using 2 strips of brown color 3 mm and adding on the top of head like a Judah. And to create the curly hair look, I am using these small size pearls. These are 2 mm pearls, and I am just going to attach these pearls one by one all over the brown portion. So here I have covered everything, also covered the back portion for the hairs, and now I am coloring whole pattern using brown color chalk paint. You can also use brown acrylic color and just add the color completely on the pearl along with the head. Like this. So it's dried and it's looking very beautiful. Here I have added the Rudraksha bracelet on both the hands. I have just taken golden color ball chain and colored it with same brown color chalk paint. Now here I am adding the vastra or dupatta on front side. So I have prepared this using 5 mm strips of orange color. I have just joined 5 strips together and added golden color paper strips on both the edges. So I am going to add the dupatta diagonally like this. Just wiping out the excess glue using wet brush. And this is done. Here I have added both the ears, which is made using 1/4 strip of peach color 2 mm, and similarly I have prepared one more teardrop shape for the nose using 1/8 strip of peach color 2 mm. This is also a simple teardrop. Now here I have added the expressions using black and red color gel pen. Just added eyebrows, eyes, lips using freehand drawing. This is very easy. Now for the back aura, I have prepared this tight coil using 5 light yellow, 5 medium yellow, 5 orange and 4 red color strips. For this I have used 3 mm strips. And now I am going to add this on back side using B6000 strong adhesive, because the tight coil is a little heavy in weight, and to stick it permanently I am using B6000 glue. So just connecting it like this properly exactly in the center and hold it for a few minutes till it will get dry. Now for making the base, I am taking 1 strip of yellow and 1 strip of white and making one tight leaf shape. Here I am making the petals for base flower, which I am going to make. So this is done. In the same way we need total 19 leaf shapes. Now I have prepared this base already using 50 strips of 10 mm yellow colored strips, and I have just added white color 5 mm strip in the bottom and one golden color paper circle in the base. The diameter of this is 6 centimeters. And now on this golden paper I am just going to arrange these petals which we have created. So the beautiful floral base is ready. On the center of each petal I have added small half cut pearls just for decoration. And now I am taking my Buddha and sticking with the base. Like this. Check it from all the sides, it should be in the center. And the beautiful quilling 3D Buddha is ready. It's looking very calm and very peaceful. I just loved the final outcome, and you can make it very easily at home. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.